Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything now, system image plus personal files, because migrating or swapping risks data loss. Next, identify the SSD type and interface so you order the correct drive. M2 NVMe uses PCIe lanes and is much faster than SATA. Once done, power down, unplug, remove battery if possible, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Make sure you have the small M2 screw and a USB to SATA adapter or enclosure ready. You decide whether to clone the existing drive or perform a clean install. Cloning saves time and preserves settings, while a clean install avoids leftover driver conflicts. Connect the new SSD via USB adapter and run the cloning tool, checking that partitions resize correctly and alignment is optimized for SSD performance. Once clone completes, power off, open the access panel, remove the old drive, install the M2 at its retention angle or fit the 2.5 drive into. You power up and immediately enter BIOS/UEFI to set the new SSD as the first boot device and confirm OSI or NVMe support. This ensures maximum compatibility and performance. Once Windows boots, install chipset and storage drivers, enable trim, and check firmware updates to maintain longevity and speed. Finally, run a benchmark to confirm expected throughput. If the machine fails to boot, check boot mode, UEFI versus legacy, receipt cables, and the M2 screw, and only then consider restoring your backup image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.